Welcome, we're at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo again, and today I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of this property. And right now we're on the 8th floor, and this is going to be, actually we're on the 7th floor. This is the Regency Club Lounge level, and this used to be the area for the check-in, which has not been available ever since COVID. So this is a very nice opportunity to have a look at the Regency Club Lounge, because right now nobody's really hanging out. And in this area you're going to have an evening cocktail, and you also have a beautiful view over the Shinjuku Central Park, Shu Park. This is same view as I have upstairs from the room, and here they're already preparing for the evening buffet. So it's a good time to go because not much is going on. During the day you have a few items here, including juices as well as many non-alcoholic beverages, Coca-Cola, sparkling wine, sparkling water, as well as some soda. And on that side you have the TMG building, Metropolitan Government Building, and the observatory is all the way on top. I don't think we can see it from here, but might have an opportunity to go over there one of these days. The weather is absolutely beautiful. The Park Hyatt Tokyo is right over there on the other side of Shinjuku. Love the sunshine. Perfect. Now we're gonna go out. There are some snacks over here. A little bit different than in the past. Let's take 2 cookies on the way. Coffee machine is also. From the 7th floor, we are quickly going up to floor number 8 to visit the guest room. The elevators here, let's see which one we get. There's one set of elevators that face the atrium, and the other side is just an interior. And there we go. Oops. Today we only got interior elevator. So now we're going to floor number 8. And this floor, see, the design of these floors is the carpeting and everything looks a little bit dated, but I really like this hotel because everything is still in excellent shape. And the elevators that face the atrium that I mentioned earlier have this view with the famous chandeliers here at the Hyatt Regency, and there you can see the elevators going up and down. Housekeeping is already here for some of the other rooms. And here in my case, I have done numerous videos here at the hotel with various room types. This is room number 809, which is a corner room that has these nice couches, as well as the work desk, rather spacious. Large bed, king size bed, and then the bathroom here with a single sink, as well as the wet cell, meaning you have the bathtub and the regular shower. And I really like these rooms because I'm not very big on the Regency suite here. I really like this property's corner rooms much more because it's just more practical, and the layout at the Regency suite was not great. Work desk is nicely appointed here. The TV sits nicely, the air is fresh. The only thing I wish this hotel would have is the ability to open a fresh air vent or some kind of window, but that is not applicable. So yeah, room number 809, and this is called a Club Deluxe room. Here's also a small fridge, but this one is empty. So we got all we need. Like generally, I think I have spent over 100 nights over the years here at this hotel, and you know, it's always an up and down. I think the hotel has improved a lot, but here the slippers, storage, ironing board. There's a nice plush bathrobe. So yeah, the price point of this property went up in recent years. I mean, the weak yen is kind of like dampening it, but these days you're paying like 50,000 yen cash, or sometimes 15 to 18,000 points with World of Hyatt. But that is if you can find an award in the first place, which seems to be really difficult. So yeah, let's go downstairs. We'll take the elevator again. So once again, this was room 809 this time. View Deluxe Club Access, and back through the atrium. Beautiful. And actually, I do realize I mentioned earlier that the Club Lounge was on floor number 7, and it is actually on the 9th floor, and this guest room is on number 8, so a little bit confused with one of the other properties I recently stayed at. We are now going down, and this is going to be one of the atrium elevators, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, I mean, everything still looks neat and very, very clean and proper. So it's a nice thing about hotels in Japan. Even if you have older hotels, you never have the feeling that it is really old. But you can see the elevator itself. It has this bronze aura in its design. Here we go with the chandeliers. And here we're at the lobby. 28 floors total, with the top floors being the banquet facilities and also the spa. And then we walk through the lobby, and you have several facilities here. For one, here you have a restaurant, and you will be able to have breakfast here at the cafe, as well as lunch and also dinner. And Regency Club guests receive the breakfast at the club. Everybody who has breakfast included in the rate will be able to have it here at the cafe. The quality here at the cafe is a lot better, and club guests do unfortunately not have a choice. So the only way to get your complimentary breakfast as a club guest is by going to the Regency Club. So you can see part of the cafe. Here is also pastry boutique, which however at the moment is not staffed. They used to sell like cakes here in the afternoon and everything, but that no longer seems to be the case. Then have another look at the chandeliers. Pretty much the hallmark of this property. There are also some restaurants on the mezzanine. So it is actually quite interesting the way that this hotel, which used to be the Century Hotel and the Century Hyatt, I believe 1981 is a year that it was built or opened. And then if you want to print something, this is always quite funny. We have a printer here and also this very dated PC, which is something that reminds me what I had like 25 years ago in my little kids room. But yeah, interesting how long these things live on in Japan. The front desk is right ahead, and also the concierge desk. So from there you can also do a cash exchange. Not the best rate, but downstairs there is a 7-Eleven with an ATM. So if you're able to obtain cash from the ATM free of charge with your bank, then you can do so. And we'll quickly walk outside and I'll show you the surroundings of the hotel. So we are right in the middle of Shinjuku, which is the beauty of it. Hyatt Regency Tokyo. So this is really one of the oldest hotels that has always remained a part of Hyatt's Tokyo portfolio. And from here we will visit a few other properties. And right now it is mid-March of 2024, March 15 actually, and it is Sakura season very soon. One more week and we will have a nice cherry blossoms. The Hilton is right there, and Metropolitan Government Building, where we will head one of these days on the other side. But what I really wanted to show you is we'll walk over and have access to the park as well. So you can actually be inside the Chuo Park very quickly, and from there also be able to access the Tokyo Metro down here at the Toshimae station on the Uedo line. Really a beautiful day, and I hope this is going to be the case for the next 2 weeks. It used to be a little bit colder in the last couple of days, but just as we're getting ready for cherry blossom, this is going to be the situation at least for the next couple of days. So there is Shinjuku Chuo Park, and this is a Hyatt Regency again from the outside. The brown building next to the Metropolitan Government Towers, and there you have the Cocoon Building. This is a direction of Shinjuku Station. The Hyatt Regency does no longer have the shuttle bus, but if you need a shuttle bus, you might be able to sneak into the bus from the Hilton, which is still operational right next door. And that bus leaves every 20 minutes, 10 past the hour, and starts 10 past the hour, and it leaves 20 past the hour from Shinjuku Station, and it's just across the street. So if you really need a shuttle, you can do that. Otherwise you'll walk 10 minutes and you're at Shinjuku Station and you're pretty much done. So thank you for watching our little walking tour of the Hyatt Regency Tokyo today. One of the few that I'm going to do this month to try a new setup for the channel. And if you'd like to see more of it, please subscribe, and we're going to have some fun exploring Tokyo and other cities, especially here in Asia, for March and April 2024. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.